the Mazda is not here anymore. Let me explain you why. As you can see, the car is not here anymore because it's at home in my garage. And yeah, the thing is, we about 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I don't know, it was really busy because we get the engine back in the car, and I not really filmed anything because it was really, how to say, we struggled a lot because of the pipes and hose and wires and yeah, everything. So we put the engine back in the car. It was maybe one afternoon like that. I started to put back together all the hoses and things, and at the end it was really annoying, and my motivation was at the end. But yeah, we put everything in maybe 2 days or 2 afternoons, and yeah, it was maybe 3 hoses what we had to research where's the place, but we found it out. And this is the only one. We just don't know where's the place of it. Maybe you guys, if you know it, please write in the comments. Thank you. But no scraps or bolts are rest. So yeah, we did it. And I filmed it probably where I start the car for the first time. Enjoy it.
Giù a Igla! Jó, most már csak fehért is van. Tudni kell látni.
Yes! Azt.
Szép tiszta van.
Ezt nem látom.
Rendesen.
Még nem emelkedik. Az olajnyomása stabil, az jól áll, viszont a vízhőmérséklet még egyelőre nem emelkedik.
Az nem baj, mert az jó.
De emlékszel a izére? Volt az a radiátorjel, az pirosan világít, és az nem tudom mi.
Ez a szondra.
Az régen is volt, én arra emlékszek.
Valamilyen nem érzékelő, hogy van benne víz.
Ja igen, tényleg. Hát azt szerintem most ne nyisd ki. No check engine. Megy fel a vízhőmérséklet. De lassan.
Szépen beszél vele.
Stabilan jár. Oh guys, I'm so happy. So happy. Yes! Yes! I love this car. So, we are in the car. The thing is, we have some issues, as I said. In the interior is the middle panel, something with the lights and things, because we installed new gadgets here. And yeah, something went wrong, but we will fix it. We have problem with the Lambda. I hope it calls Lambda 2 in English, but yeah. Oh, and the bigger issue is the power steering. I don't have power steering because I will show you. Let me get out of here. So, down there somehow are two cables. They are going to the power steering under there. What you can't see now, but okay. And it's no good. It's no good because, yeah, I don't have focus. Because I don't have any power steering and it's not good, it's really annoying. So we need to fix it. And if it's good, we need just to spray contact spray in the plugs and it will work again. I hope this is the issue. And then, yeah, this is what I need to do today. Or try to repair. And another issues, not really. These little spray covered things are finished. They are painted in black because they was grey. I will have them next week. And yeah, the bar in the middle is coming too. I want it white and it will be white. So yeah, and I don't have a battery now, but the battery is here. So no battery, no battery, battery. I think we are ready, we are finished. I need to take care a little bit on underneath of the car because of rust and things, but it's not too bad. And yeah, wash it maybe today, I don't know. It's really dusty. So yeah, this is it. Maybe I can show you the gadgets. So as you can see, the baby is running. We have oil temperature, oil pressure and water temperature, but it's not working yet. So let's go to the garage. So we arrived, we are in the garage. It was closely a disaster because I just stopped at the red light and the car just goes out. So, and the battery light was on, so it was a little bit scary, but I started it again and it runs. So, yep. We are here, back to the business. We tried to figure it out, this electric issue, and fixed power steering and yeah, the rest of the stuff. Under the car, it's so a plastic thing, and it's just the way. I need to check it out because it's make weird noises when I drive, and I don't like it a lot. But yeah, probably the car is okay. The engine runs amazing. It's really cool, and it's really cool to drive it again. So let's fix this tiny things, and then we are be able to back on the road soon. When I came, I just broke the holder for the license plate because I I crashed in the gate a little bit, but not too much. Yeah, it is what it is. Yeah, the season is starting, the summer is coming. My car is already ready. Now I'm happy, I'm motivated, and yeah, I'm really happy with this car. So let's go. The last check-in before we getting out with the car. It's here again. We did some things. We have a white bar, what is really sexy. I have these plates on it, on both sides now in black. So the car is nearly ready. I'm still waiting for parts because it's getting really long. But yeah, this week I should have all the parts that I'm missing now. And then next week on the 22nd, I'm going to the, I forgot it, to the inspection. And then at 27th, I think, it's a car meet, the first car meet, and I would like to drive with the Mazda. So yeah, the car is working, the engine is running, everything. I don't know because I did so much small clips. What you watching now, it's maybe 3 or 4 weeks. So this is probably the last video before I will drive out with this car. So the last video when the car is standing. In the next video I will make a video next time when the car is rolling, and yeah. And it's probably season opening, car meets, blah blah blah, you know. So this is maybe the last video about our journey with the engine rebuild, or I don't know. And yeah, it was a really long process, about 4 months, 5, yeah. We started it in December, middle of December, I think. I'm not sure anymore. And yeah, now we are ready. Yeah, 2 parts missing, but it's okay. So we are ready. So I just want to say
thank you for my dad for helping me, for Ulmer Automotive to borrow us the crane to get out the engine, for our local Mazda shop to sort out with parts what we don't buy it on internet. So yeah, it was really long, and yeah, as you can see, I'm a little bit tired. We struggled a lot. It was just long, and yeah, but we did it for the first time, and it was my first time doing a rebuild on an engine, not just rotary engines, yeah. And yeah, maybe I can say I'm a little bit proud, but without any help I couldn't do that. So yeah, now we are going to take care on the car a little bit, like get it tidy, because it's really dirty. Inside not that much, but outside it's really dirty. It's a lot of dust, and yeah. And then we start with, I don't know. To be honest, I just want to drive this car now to the summer. Updates coming soon. I almost forget it. So this is the end of this journey. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe, like this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.